Hello. So, it's been 10 months of ownership with the Buell. I'm not going to bore you and stand here forever chatting about what it's going to be like. I'll bore you with some fancy drone shots, some fancy speed shots, cornering shots, all whilst I do a bit of voiceover of what it's been like and how it is to own a Buell. The issues I've had, maybe having, and what it's really like. The excitement it brings you every day, the joys. See you in a bit. When I bought the Buell XB, everyone said the same thing. You bought what? But they're unreliable. Ha! Good luck finding parts. Should have bought a Japanese bike. I ignored them because look at it. It's basically an angry bulldog wearing trainers. It starts every time with optimism. There we go. Neighbours know when I'm leaving the house for work. People often ask, are the vibrations that bad? But on every ride, the first 5 minutes, it's a bit like, I've made a terrible mistake. Then you get above 3,000 RPMs. And then you're giggling like a 10-year-old who's had 3 Red Bulls buzzing off his tits. Fuel stops. How far can it go on a tank? Yes. What? Yeah, it can go. Buell owners. I've noticed that Buell owners are a special breed. You can spot them because they always start conversations with, actually, the fuel's in the frame, the oil's in the swing arm, the brakes on the rim, the engine's from a Harley. But don't judge it, because Eric Buell's had his magic wizardy fingers all over it. But please don't move. Maintenance. Maintenance is surprisingly simple. Once you've watched 14 forum videos, downloaded a PDF from 2007 and spoken to a man named Dave in Alaska who hasn't smiled since 1998. Parts. So, I needed one tiny part. Google search. No. eBay. No. Facebook Marketplace. Located in America. Darn it. Public reactions. Every petrol station is exactly the same. Nice bike. Cheers.
Ugh, brother, ugh. What's that? What's that, brother?
The handling. Then you find the twisty roads and suddenly everything makes sense. This thing corners like it's angry at physics. You forget every vibration, every weird noise, every electrical gremlin and every area spent wondering why the check engine light come on or it cut out. The weird noises. What's that noise? I don't know. Why has it always done that? I don't know. Is it serious? Probably. Ride it anyway. So, should I go and buy one? No, but you absolutely should do. Now, this is the ending. In the 10 months I've owned it, I have had to replace the battery. I've had it cut out on me a couple of times with backfires, which I'm still trying to source down or source the issue, but it still rides absolutely fine. I've had to replace the fork seals, but they're just general wear and tear items. Oh, and the LED rear light, which is a bit of a pickle, but you've seen the video for that. Hopefully, if you haven't, go and look at my channel, you will see it. But I've realised something. The Buell XB isn't the quickest bike. It isn't the smoothest. And it definitely isn't the easiest bike to own. But every ride feels like you've stolen a prototype that escapes the factory. And honestly, I kind of love that. So what are you buying next, Adrian? Maybe another Buell. I've learnt nothing. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Subscribe here if you're not already. Video here. which YouTube says you will love. And hit the old thumbs up button for the crap acting. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Does help if I turn the kill switch off though, doesn't it?